welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take this 99-cent store lantern and upcycle it. So not all of the pieces are from the 99-cent store. They're mostly from Michael's, but the lantern is. And look how cute it is. I hope you don't see the reflection in there. But this was actually $3.99. It wasn't 99 cents. But I'm going to show you how you can take something inexpensive and turn it to something that can be displayed on your counter or on your coffee table. So let's get started. So there you have it, this sweet little 99-cent, well, $3.99 lantern from the 99-cent store, upcycled with a little bow, some picks, a little spider. Really simple, really cute. I was able to use pretty much scraps, leftover items, leftover picks, leftover ribbon from previous projects to really turn this into something special. I hope you enjoyed it.